GM, great morning everyone. Guys, the market is green. October is here. All coins are super sensitive right now and we need to find trades. I am here with 4 setups that are going to be valid for the upcoming week. All you need to do is give me 8 minutes of your life. Watch this video. If you like the content, then press the like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, and without wasting any time, let's go. The market is absolutely buzzing on weekly time frame. You can see how every single token is green, but you have to be selective. You have to be selective because your capital is actually limited. And that is what we are doing in this green market. We are trading. Everyone is trading. 1.3 billion added to the crypto market today. Everyone in this world is trading and they are trading towards the upside as we are doing as well. We took the setup trade yesterday. I gave the entry in Discord, Frontrunners. I gave the entry on Twitter as well. You can follow me on Twitter for free. You can join Frontrunners via the link below in the description and look at this beautiful entry. The price actually went up 8% in literally 1.5 hours. This is what I'm talking about, guys. We are in a time where trades are super effective, super simple. You just have to manage your risk and you have to be on the right side of the market, whatever is happening. October, this is it. This is why the market is pumping. We are done with Rectember and now everyone should be excited about Q4 because the average return in October is usually 22% for Bitcoin. If that is true, then our favorite altcoins are going to literally give 100% return in October, and in Q4 they can also give 2x, 3x and 4x, which is absolutely amazing, right? And that is what we are looking for. If you look chart wise, then BTC obviously likes October. Every single October BTC pumps. There has been only one exception where October was actually negative. It doesn't happen a lot and it shouldn't happen like that this time as well because all the narratives, all the theses are towards the bullish side. Now, we can see how crypto market cap, the total crypto market cap right now is creating new highs. It's going towards the new highs, and if you actually look at the target, then you can see how this beautiful cup and handle, which has a target of 263% from the neckline, the crypto market cap can increase 2x from here, which is absolutely amazing. And most of the money is going to come into altcoins, right? Because we are going to be in that FOMO season. The retail is going to come in, and that is what we are going to witness now. So in my opinion, we are still early for all the good trades that are there in the market. Remember that. Guys, you need to subscribe. All you can do right now is subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free and make this community even bigger. Now, there are some things which are scaring me. For example, dino coins pumping. Dino coins pumping always scares me. You know, you can see how Dash, Zcash, Litecoin, Verge are pumping right now. And what happens when dino coins pump is that is usually the end of the rotation. And after that, a small dip comes, and that is what we're waiting for. You know, I've been picking trades from the last 3 weeks. You can see my record where I've been picking trades, long trades. I've been taking profits as well. But now I believe that we are going a little bit into greed. And whenever I feel that we're going into greed, I set stupid limit orders. And that is what I'm going to do in today's video. I've got 4 setups for you all. In next 3 minutes, I'm going to be talking about them. And I've got perfect entries, exits and everything. No financial advice obviously, but yes. So dino coins pumping. First thing, Bitcoin open interest hitting its new all-time highs. And this is something that I'm scared about. Whenever this happens, it means there is a lot of leverage in the market and we might be getting a leverage flush soon. If that happens, then our entries, our stupid limit orders become the best, right? And that is what I'm waiting for. Even if you look at a very simple thing, which is fear and greed index for Bitcoin, then right now it is in greed. And I don't like greed. Whenever there is greed, I tend to be away from the markets a little bit. It doesn't mean that I'm going to sell my spot positions, but it means that I'll refrain from opening new long positions at market. I will never do that. If I'm looking at something like this, which is dino coins pumping, which is open interest all-time high, which is fear and greed at greed levels, which is CME futures open interest pumping for all Bitcoin, for Ethereum all-time highs, for Solana as well all-time highs. So I want to be a little bit skeptic. While Bitcoin is at the resistance, while Bitcoin is at a major resistance, resistance and has been pumping from entire week now without red candles. So what you need to see is that if Bitcoin takes a resistance or a rejection from here, from this important level, and trust me, if this breaks out, then we are in price discovery, literally. Price discovery and 150K will be sooner than people expect. But right now it's getting a rejection. And I think I really wanted to get a rejection for a healthy uptrend. What happens is the price comes down to this trend line and the price moves up again. So this is basically a breather. This trend line has been there since April 2025, has had multiple taps and one deviation as well, which happened on 25th of September, right? So for me, this trend line remains pretty important. For me, this horizontal level remains pretty important. I am looking for 117K to 117.5K for Bitcoin. That is my best case scenario. Now, how does that happen? I don't think that we're going to bleed like very quickly. I think it's going to be a normal slow bleed over the weekend and a couple of days, and then price will move towards the upside. This is the secondary downtrend that we are aiming for. Buys. Simple. So the first token I've got for you is Solana. Solana is going to be my first buy. It's pretty interesting to see how Solana has been following this beautiful trend line, and now Solana is ready to make new highs. I'm already in the trade. I'm going to show you. In Bitfunded, I'm already in the trade. It's in profit as well, and we're killing it. Bitfunded is one of the ways where I actually make money. So what I do is I've got prop accounts, and right now I'm not taking any payouts, obviously, but right now my dummy account is doing good, and you can sign up for Bitfunded as well. Now, this is not real money, but it can become real money if you're a good trader, right? In $100, literally, you're getting a big account, and you can follow your risk management strategy, you can follow your trades, and you can actually pass the account. And I know you can. I know people who have done it. So link is in the description. If you use the promo code Kapoor, then you can get discount as well. I really like this product, and which is why I'm, endorsing it as well. Trust me. I always use it for new strategies. Now, Solana, yes, I was going to give the levels. I'm really sorry that I didn't give the levels. Now, the levels for me are simple. Come back to the trend line and move towards the upside. I already told you guys, look, it's a little bit boring when I say that the market is going to come down when everyone is super happy and excited, but I can see the signs. I can see the signs, and I have to be just a little bit conservative. And in this conservation, what we can do is put stupid limit orders. So the first limit order I want to put is Solana at 208. So 208 Solana, that is my first limit order, and obviously it's a leverage trade, so it's going to be 4x to 5x, and my stop loss is going to be around, if let's say I pick a trade over here, then my stop loss is going to be around this level. So that's 4.5%. 4.5% for stop loss, and I'm going to let the position run because I believe that now Solana is pretty ready to break towards the previous all-time highs, which is why I'm already in the trade. I'm going to add to the position if this thing comes down, right? My average price is 218 right now, and I'm going to add to the position if it comes to 208. Simple, pretty simple. I'm going to show you the trades. I'm showing you the trades, how I pick the syrup trade. You can look at my Twitter as well. I'm pretty open with my trades if I'm picking any. I don't pick thousands of trades every single day. I pick 3 trades per week. That is my average, and I believe that is the best average for any swing trader. For me it is, to be honest. I don't know about others. The second trade I've got is Pump.fun. Now, Pump.fun has been doing excellent. We have made good money on Pump.fun before as well, and I've posted that on my Discord. I've posted that on my Twitter. I've made a video about it as well. So a lot of people caught it. Congratulations, guys, obviously. Now, Pump.fun just crossed 100,000 holders on chain, which is absolutely amazing. Their metrics look very good. The thesis on Pump.fun is simple. Look at this. Pump is 1/7 of hyperliquid valuation but generates over half its revenue. First thing, that shows undervalued. CT is biased against meme launchpads, but it has proven to be sticky. Obviously, the meme seasons are the best. It's fair for hyperliquid to trade at a larger premium, but that's still priced in even if Pump were a quarter of its valuation. Exactly. Pump still dominates the launchpad sector with 84% of the market share. Now, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. Pump is actually very undervalued. You can read a lot of theses, you can read a lot of tweets, you can actually do the calculation as well and understand that this thing is fundamentally very strong, and right now it's undervalued. You literally, it's undervalued. For the streaming as well, ARK Invest, Kathy would literally said that the streaming service on Pump.fun is going to be amazing and it's going to be the next level social fire thing happening. And a lot of big streamers are going to be coming to Pump.fun as well. I actually am planning to come to Pump.fun and stream there, do live trading over there. Why? Because I want to try it. I really want to try this thing out. And the levels. Okay, I know everyone is here for the trades, and I know that. So I'm going to give you the levels. I'm going to show you the levels. Pump.fun chart in front of you guys. We made good money when we took this trade from 0.0054 until the highs, and now I want to enter again, and my level to enter is pretty simple, and it is 6.1 bill market cap, which is 0.0061 level. The leverage is going to be 5x to 8x, and the stop loss is going to be 6%. Pretty simple for me. TPs are going to be manual over my Twitter. So what you need to do is follow my Twitter to make sure that you are understanding the TPs as well, because I cannot create these videos all the time when we are hitting TPs, right? So what you need to do is you actually need to follow my Twitter for these trades. I'm giving you the entry, I'm giving you the leverage, I'm giving you the stop loss right now. You get me? This is one of the best trades. I gave you Solana in this video over here. Now the next one I gave you is Pump.fun. Now let's move to the next one, AVAX. AVAX is actually gaining strength. It's gaining momentum, both technically as well as fundamentally, and I actually like the chart. So the chart is pretty simple. It's this massive consolidation. I call it the bear market consolidation breakout, retest, might retest again, create proper consolidation breather kind of structure on higher time frame, and then move towards the upside. So this is what I'm looking at for AVAX. My entry is pretty simple at $27. My stop loss is going to be 6 to 7%, and my leverage is going to be 4x on this. Now, a lot of things are happening. AVAX DEX volume hit 37 billion in Q3. Look at that. Look at that rise. It's quite amazing, right? Here's how AVAX stats did in month of September, and look at the stats. It's pretty amazing. You guys know I always talk about good fundamental projects which are also looking good technically. AVAX is one of them. 2.2 billion in total value TVL, and it's all-time highs after August 2022, 3 years. So in the last 3 years, right now their TVL is literally sitting at the highest level. 2.18 billion stablecoin market cap. That is pretty amazing as well, and it's rising. It's right now at the all-time highs. 462 million in net inflows, money bridged from the other chains. Absolutely amazing. So money coming into AVAX as well. 10.53 bill in total DEX volume as of today. AVAX has reached maximum transaction speed as well. We have a total of 5 million plus active addresses as of today. So every single metric is telling you that this thing is going to go up, plus DATs are coming. Plus DATs are coming on AVAX, and now you're going to have more buying pressure from the institutions. You get me? So this is pretty interesting. My trade remains pretty simple. I'm going to be buying that $27 level because that is going to be the retest of this massive bear market range. I've told you what to do with the TPs. You need to follow my Twitter, and all my TPs are there. Whatever I post on YouTube, all the trades, ideas and setups and TPs are going to be on Twitter. The link is in the description, guys. All of this is free. Now Sui is another one. It's sitting at the resistance. I'm not sure about the level right now, but it's doing good fundamentally. It's hitting all-time highs in the TVL as well. In the last 7 days, it's up like 29.1%. People are actually talking about rumors of a lot of DATs coming in for Sui. I like it, but what is the level? I'm waiting for the breakout. I'm literally waiting for the breakout of this trendline resistance. As soon as this breakout happens, I'm going to be entering a trade. Not giving the levels right now, not saying that you enter when it breaks out. You need to follow my Twitter for that, or maybe the next video I'm going to give you the levels for this. Right now I've given you the levels for Solana, I've given you the levels for Pump.fun, I've given you the levels for AVAX. I'm not giving it for Sui though. The next trade I want to talk about is, yeah, Pancake. It's pumping. It's actually pumping. So if you look, it's interesting to see how DEX valuations are unfolding right now. Uniswap, 4 billion volume over the past 24 hours. Pancake Swap, 3.6 billion volume over the last 24 hours. Yet, Pancake is trading at 1/3 of Uniswap valuation. People talk about wash trading and all of that, but look, it's creating volume and the price action is actually showing something. So we want to be on the right side, and the right side is be with the price. The price says that this thing can go up more. So if it comes down, my level to buy is literally $3 and my stop loss is going to be 6 to 7% on this. Again, going to be a leverage trade and I think it's going to be a good one for sure. You can literally take this trade. So what we are seeing is breakout, retest, continuation towards the upside, and that is what I look at for every single trade that I take. Absolutely amazing. The next chart I want to talk about is Radium. I've changed my limit order on this one. I had a limit order for 2.4. Now I'm changing it to 2.7. This is a very simple change, guys, because I believe that now we are going to create a higher low on this one. So if it comes down, then this is the trade for you. Pretty simple. That is the level I'm looking at. Now, the final one, ASTER. I don't have a trade for ASTER, but I believe that it's going to come down. I believe that it's going to respect this trend line. This trend line is going to be respected until the end. I gave this trade. I gave this amazing trade over here. You look, I'm going to show you. So for ASTER, I gave the entry 1.75. If you see 1.75 is here. On 2nd of October, I gave the entry and since then ASTER has gone up like crazy. It went up like 23% on spot. So I gave the entry on Discord, I gave the entry on YouTube, I gave the entry on Twitter as well. That is absolutely insane. Guys, so we are done with the video. I gave you 4 trades and these 4 trades are my ultimate trades for this week. If anything changes, then obviously, you've got my Twitter, just follow me there. I'm going to be giving quick updates, obviously, but make sure that you're managing your risk in any trade that you take. Don't be greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful, and right now people are being greedy. So you need to be a little bit conservative, a little bit more fearful with your entries. And that is what I'm doing. Stupid limit orders, guys. Now, you need to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.